Hey guys, so today is part 3 of the Dirtitis Honda flat track build, and we're going to finish up the seat. As you can see, both parts are now printed. It took some time. And I wanted to do the side panel as well, but unfortunately the print doesn't come out as good as I want it to be. So we're going to try and figure something else for that as well. And now it's just time to paint the seat and put everything together and having the bike done. Before we start sanding, I want to put in the inserts. Is putting the insert, heating up the insert with a soldering gun and melting it inside of the 3D print. So there you have it, it's both inserts in. Originally wanted to 3D print the side panel for the number. Unfortunately that didn't go so well because it was just too thin and I had to print it upright. If I could print it flat it would have been perfect, but for that we already have a expansion set to make the printer bigger. Anyway, that's not done yet, so instead of 3D printing it, I'm going to shape it out of aluminium, and for that I'm just going to take the exact same sizes and fabricate something very similar to what we have here and put it on a bike. So for the side number plate, we're gonna take his number 189 and make some new stickers. So there you have it, the XL500R Dirtitis 3.0. And what I did is switch out the front fork, which you saw in the first and second part, and remodeled the rear section with the 3D printed tail and new seat, new handlebars to make it a proper flat tracker. And I lowered the rear a little bit for the rider. Made a aluminium side plate, completely handmade, with his number 189 on it, same as on the sideburn. Race placket for the front, Shinko tires, the BST 40 with a 3D printed intake manifold, rebuild engine, aluminium gas tank, and a cool exhaust on the left top side. That's gonna be it. Next project's already inside. I'm gonna build an aluminium gas tank for a CX500. See you guys next time.